How to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. And in today's video we will see how we can change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, now navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Now from here again, navigate to top right corner and tap on fill line icon. Now under settings and activity page, tap on the first option, that is account center. Under account center, tap on the first option, that is profiles. And again tap on the account that is linked with your Facebook and Instagram. Once you're done with that, now again tap on your Instagram account. After that, you will have this toggle that says sync profile info. So all you have to do is turn off the toggle and then tap on stop syncing. Now once you have turned it off, you can change your Instagram profile without having to change it in your Facebook profile as well. Now to change your Instagram profile, you have to get back to your profile page. From here, tap on edit profile. Tap on not now and then tap on edit picture or avatar and then tap on new profile picture. Now from here you can add your new profile picture on your Instagram, and after that it will not be uploaded in your Facebook profile, or your Facebook profile will not be changed. And that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.